Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of an object in Premiere Pro. Once you already have your video clip on your timeline, let's go to Effects and search for Change Color. Drag this Change Color effect to your video clip, and I'm planning to change this person's coat, so go to Effect Controls, scroll through, and go to the Change Color section. First, we are going to change the match colors using U. Make sure that you selected using U or else this will not work. And you can see a dropper tool right here. Click on the dropper tool and select the color of the object that you want to change color. For example, this one. And once you have done that, just adjust the U transform however you like. And that should change the color of that object within your video. And that is how you can basically change the color of an object in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.